Hi guys, we're doing the 3D sound challenge with me and my friend Isaiah here. We've tried it a little bit a few times, but the most he's gotten to is like 45 seconds, I believe. It's a win.
It's very scary.
So I'm gonna do it. So let's get to it.
I will encourage you not, okay, all caps, underline, not to do it.
Do it.
Don't.
Okay. Now,
what you have to do is look it up.
yeah.
We'll put the link in the description. It's gonna be on both of our channels. Anthony Torres
And Drillix1312. Okay. And now for added effect, this is called the interrogation room. So, in the actual 3D sound story, I am blindfolded and my hands are tied behind my back and I'm in a chair. And so,
what I'll be doing is putting a jacket over his face and tying up his hands.
and then,
Then play it from there and see how his reactions and stuff. Well, by the way, this is our first challenge.
yeah. Million subscribers!
Yeah, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe.
Wait, here. I want them to see my facial expression, so like, here, I'll just do this.
So we have to turn off the, oh, okay. We could also get a rag and put it on your face, but I don't know.
Okay, and then I'll just keep my hands tied behind my back. Behind my back.
Or do you want to use this?
Okay, hey, play the video.
Okay.
I just press back.
So now,
Mm-hmm.
I will be playing the video,
Mm-hmm.
and we will see what happens from there.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay, that's a little loud.
Put your hands back.
Oh, it's a little too loud for me.
Wait. Calm
Oh,
me.
yeah. This is like an audio description and warning of the actual video, and it is warning if you do have fears of like very intense violence. Do
Or-
not play this.
Yeah. I advise you not to do it if you're scared, like, very
It says
easily.
to relax, but I don't want to.
I'm scared of things like this. I hate doing stuff like this. Well, I don't know about him. He's one crazy mofo.
Look at, they let me live. Torture, what the heck? He's over to my right. Oh damn, he just got kicked.
Mm-hmm.
Feed you to the bears, what the hell? Ah, that's a loud door. Oh shit. I got goosebumps right now. Oh shit. Dude, why are you spraying shit on me? Stop. Oh shit, you're stopping? You're stopping in my ear. Ah, you're right in my ear. Stop it. Stop it. I didn't do this shit to you. Stop it. I'm going to punch you.
You wish.
Yes, a very long time. Yes, I want water. Oh, thank you. Ah. 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 Oh, screw you. You're a dick. Sorry. He's a jerk. Killing bears? What the hell? Ah, you're right in my ear. Ah.
How far are you?
You're on my foot. Ow.
Not even halfway.
What ways? Toys from the old country? Oh, I hear the bag. Oh, shit. Oh, let's screw some. Thank you, boss. No, you watch what you're doing. What cage? He's not even paying you. Oh, Jesus, what is that? Oh. Oh, God. Don't come near me. No. You're close. Oh, shut up. I'm more of a man than you.
What you say about my mother?
Like your wife. Like your wife. No! Don't you dare screw with your toys.
What you say?
Home country, where's home country?
Your mama?
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
Oh yeah, he's doing the interrogation thing, I forgot.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. You're sharpening something. What are you sharpening? Oh, that was too real.
Wow, how long did you go?
5 minutes and 39 seconds.
Well, now it's my turn to do it.
Oh my God.
My turn. Hook me up.
Oh my God.
Tie me up if you don't want to get punched. I'm telling you right now. Hold up, hold up. Hold on. Hold it. Read him. Okay, there. Hold on. No, leave me alone.
Ready?
No.
Set.
No.
Go.
No! What are you doing? Leave me alone! Step back! Oh, wait, nothing happening.
That's it.
I can stand the torture. Shut up. You're an Hungarian scum. Ow! Did you just kick me? Fight me! Mommy.
So that was the 3D sound challenge. If you want to try this challenge out for yourself, description will be the link will be in the description below. Bye.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Adios. Peace.